Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Chime to PayPal easily. So let's get started. First, open your PayPal app and go to your wallet. Tap Add a bank or card, then select Link a bank account. Now, enter your Chime bank details. You can find this in your Chime app under Settings and Account Information. Once your Chime account is linked, PayPal will send two small deposits to verify your bank. Check your Chime app for those amounts, then go back to PayPal to confirm. After verification, go to PayPal, then add money. From bank account, choose Chime, enter the amount and confirm. And that's it. Your money will transfer within a few business days. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.